Smoking results in habitual snoring because of the nicotine effects on the sinuses and nasal passages. European researchers claim that smoking can cause snoring in about 33% of men and 19% of women. They also claimed that with increased frequency of smoking, people snored more. Nicotine effects are also too severe to disturb your pattern of sleep at night. This can also result in snoring. Although snoring is more common among aging men, studies revealed that smoking enhances snoring in men below the age of 60. Heavy smokers are also said to snore more heavily than light smokers. For teenagers too, smoking teenagers snore more than non-smoking teenagers. Children who smoked and snored more also seem to be having disturbed sleeping patterns at night and feel quiet drowsy during the day. Studies reveal that exposure to second-hand smoke can also enhance the risks of snoring. For example, people who lived with smokers were reported to snore more. A European study revealed that 20% of the non-smokers exposed to second-hand smoke snored compared to 13% who had never been exposed to second-hand smoke at home.
Children exposed to second-hand and environmental smoke are also vulnerable to snoring. In fact, they tend to experience waking sleeping patterns at night.